Right. Good morning. I'm not going to say the good morning, some April. I know, yeah, Badwam who can see some no, ya na bebre la. Na so there's a fata sort in the brebe my quine no. Na ye the abroad no pabia wo Badwam so. Na ye kind of sa. Na a Malta Guinness and a can one. You didn't some idea, bro. Malta Guinness, no matter the occasion, and Malta Guinness new slick canna. I'm the Badwam and so nessa or Mount Sakabinema or Piety. And that's all gathering be as a day. A slick can say I ain't fear more, near the account. You talk about what you say, oh, enjoy pa, but your Malta Guinness. I'm on now, when sponsors are no pay, I'm on boy, I'm here to be to me, Abbas and so on, Dance World Services, cleaning services. Boy, ma say sorry demo, say, yeah, company be more, say, officer, hodwo, or carpet, or care more. Be a funny cleaning who the Dance World Services. But your number better to the amount now from your attitude and come Dance World came on pay na idea can see on some brewo. Sergio Manocho ne Bernard Paribuche and the producers. Kejuana Cassani, Erica Sidu, but the best series fee the Euros I coso I some keto and Neokopima had the hammer, Germany host nation, the muffin, but a big game and a Ukraine or semi final, Spain and France. About you know, France take lead Nadia now so Spain by back be winning 2-1 and the man of the match, Yamin Yamal, or no, or Badwam and small boy danger Lamin Yamal. A youngest player ever to score in the Euros. Yanko Senesa game no esikoi qualify for the final. Now ever heard the Nebeko England versus Holland and then you may 7 p.m. as match no pass ahead of that game no Harry Kane a captain the England or kasa ahead of the game or then some to just Netherlands heavy almost heavy. I don't know if 50 will be able to winning to more best and then you may have say on bet me winning. More the two no but Netherlands almost different than the Mickey van der Ven and so kasa ahead of the game. And a match now at home popo kakra a basso den live commentary at Adom FM SMP FM so to cash and so for me the semi-final of the Euros. Why I qualify koka Spain home in that final. I mean Crabia and a bet share kopimo war Copa America so Argentina for Germany niti pa nya sam keto akromne Canada wiwi ye hwe de Colombia na Uruguay game no so be si akwakoye etishane so say Euros yokoso no there's also Copa America and also Koso Honomo Messi a goal against Canada. You better say Messi Besanja not that Copa America trophy asana wa retire. You go to the chair and one sem Messi but you go to Kaka San no na yemrefi the Black Queens of Ghana also on Sunday. The Black Queens and Japan the friendly game back where Pim so and on Nora Haptel or your coach and my Black Queens then somewhere to go. Say Nani abrepa say friendly games so you be fast so now they are building man confidence. Say yeah Afcon e baso with makoje edium na player back on the frame mo Karama Abdullahi. Ababa wa ye prayer che ye pa ti Nora say on the fry say my man confidence na that be Ghana nyana so faso.
Muka is one of the newcomers or backcomers, let's say it like this. We also have some newcomers like Nina Norshi, Priscilla, Marfo in the US and so on. Muka had a great performance at the All African Games, so her momentum is with her. She trained well. I think she had a tough time coming out of a long knee injury, but I think she learned also a bit out of it, how to deal, how to better examine and work on those health issues. Now she's top fit, she's good in shape, she's good mood, and we will see how she will perform in Japan. It's still working on our performance. As I said, they will challenge us in our defense on a much different level than we have been used now the last year. But we want to go with bravery in the defense, courageful. We also have a bit, let's say, a courageful strategy we want to run. We want to prove it. We have also a good plan B and C ready. So it's bringing the principles on the pitch, but of course always.
Right, and so I know and Samoa coach Nora Haptel the two because here in Japan na the Bonnie or that international friendly game. Now, if you want to copy more once and from more na ye kwakoshe multi-purpose youth resource centers na no other abanye say wo ye ye ne ade axim de no aka sensemu a Ampanifo enwie na no esebo no na mabuno wo axim ne important makam ho abomu ate tesu kokko e dey champion for say o man hwa kan ho am youth resource center na nsa na yato aba o ma so ba ye hyepa ye monra
Honorable President, in Pennsylvania, Badwam and Badwam, and whatever you see, whatever you are, the info, your Jima, the yellow blue, the yellow trader, yes, tell me why for the past 7 years now. No, what I know. Or the success. So we be stadium no. Na say work koma. We be there. My youth me yare kano. My youth parliament yare kano. As a speaker, I'm making a have me kano. Onede bia yare kade abano. Onye na say membo. Nyawa ye no so. Non so stadium no or the say.
Right, if you're copy more once and full promotion and so I'm saying Dance World Services. I'm sponsors and I pay I'm okay home area good month some there bro 0555 752 361 0555 752 361 Dance World and I'm Babetman from na cleaning service be on here be and I'm Babetimi Abwana na matimi akoye e dia ma na yan copy more metema kuma se asante kotoko wo mo akache na ene yi wo ma yom third signing na ye Manuel Antwi kan no sina kan edema Accra Great Olympics. Now, I'm going to 3 years now. 3 years now. Na I say omo ekwakomo Olympics be asan so a free agent and Koroko assign on about Branty in the first interview about OPM Koroko. Yamunrel.
It's been years now. I've always dreamt to join this club like crazy, and today I've had the opportunity to be here. So I'm really happy to be here. I've had a lot of clubs chasing my signature. But I had a discussion with my management and we all agreed to join Asante Kotoko. So basically that's it. I'm here to serve the supporters, to give them what they want and to achieve my goals as well. So it's the team I love in Ghana. So basically if they show interest in me, why not? I'll just come. I'll just come and do me and that's all. Understand? Do what they love and make sure I'll make them proud always.
Yes, Emmanuel Antwi now a porcupine. Now, we had the third sign. The other 2 signings, I'm going to for more Sudan, 2 Sudanese players, Abdel Rahman, Yof Yabub, and I think so, a smart Hababagi. 2 players, I can form about. So we see from to Memphis, Sudan. Chasanya some Katwakra Hasabagi, one bad player, but a Castle Boboko. Baby, players are Koroko form has form by Nano. Ya no mo yadio, but on be dua na fe mo tom na yento. You ever how these signings ebe see akọ and so hodomo and watchna so the house of folks so the ebe bramo players house of folk signing omo na kese no so ho asaba no share so mame Dance World Services me bo mo number ma say eba no events cleaning waste management or carpet or sofa bibia ye fin de omo chi to mo na ebe bo na watimi clinic ni bibia bia atu akotena fie foforo so clinic fee ho neat pa sana wa movie in ningina Dance World Services me patcho 0555 752 361 0555 752 361 Dance World Services beyond expectation. Yes, Dance World Focus Dance World Malta Guinness and so kan ye ho omo de omo achita strong kom mayen and na no pay near the you can see bro bibia oye occasion bia Malta Guinness slick kan no mo de aba no and na so ma nsaka na ma dwumadi na se de maka kire say me ma me ayi ase no mo amompede ye hye no Malta Guinness Malta de achele de shim na chele sa kakra Malta Guinness is good to go and okra say modu odia na wa me na de hospital kra say pebidi untimi ni di na wonu mato ay moto ane de ma bisa say moto modu Malta Guinness can one pay area can see at the ebra kama pa Sergio Manocho Bernard Padiboshe me producers channel so mame say ma enawia ye be san ahia yia aya pomoni won sam ne de etwa so kedwa na nkasa ne Erica Siedu body koso a na hebedwam